Hey guys, it's Beth. Today I'll be using one of the Dollar Tree round hangers and some of their rub-on transfers. I took the hanger off and set that aside, measured down 3.5 inches from those holes and taped off those markings. And on the top section of the front, I used Home Decor Wax by Folkart, brushed some of it on and then used a baby wipe to blend it in. And then I used that same wax and completely covered the back. After that was dry on the front side, I taped off that area where I had put the wax on it. And then I measured down 2 inches and taped off another section. And then used Cottage white chalk paint by Folkart and painted that small 2-inch area. And I did 2 coats. Once that was dry, I taped off the white section and painted the rest of it with moss green by Waverly and did 2 coats as well. Next, I took this stencil from Amazon and I took this spray adhesive I got from Hobby Lobby. It's a repositional stencil spray. So I sprayed some on the back of the stencil, let that dry, and then placed it down where I was going to be using the stencil. And used a stencil brush and very little black acrylic paint and stenciled on just the word hello from that stencil. And this was my first time trying the spray adhesive. Someone had recommended it to me, and I had sprayed too much when using this second stencil, so it does leave a film behind on your paint if you do too much spray, so you'll have to touch up some spots. So just make sure only just to spray a little. Once both of those stencils were done, I just touched up the gaps left on the words and touched up my paint a little, but they do work really good, so I do like that spray adhesive. And then I took these rub-on transfers from Dollar Tree, cut a couple of them out and placed it down on my hanger, just using a craft stick to push down on the transfer and then peeling off the backing. And then I wanted to make a messy bow. So I take typically at least 5 different styles of ribbon, different sizes. I use 1.5 inch size ones. If they're 2.5 inches, I cut them in half. Pinch the ribbon in the center, hold it in my hand, and kind of just crisscross it back and forth until it's nice and full. And I also like either using raffia or this mesh ribbon from Dollar Tree to fill it out. And then once I have it all nice and full, I keep it nice and tight in the center and wrap some twine around it and knot that and just keep it tied nice and tight. And then cut off the excess and trim up the ribbon to a size that I like. And then I take all the ribbon and spread them apart and kind of pull them upward to make it nice and full. I add back in the hanger and then hot glue down my bow. And that's it for this project. Thank you guys so much for watching.